Hello, my name is Steven Hawes, and today we are doing part 3 of the Urbex Pip-Boy with my good friend Gear. 2 times ago, we made the whole circuit in an Altoids tin just to make sure it all worked. 1 time ago, we made the circuit board in KiCad, and we designed a little mount thingy to go on our forearm so everything can mount really cool like. This time, we're building the circuit board, we're programming it, giving it brains and all kinds of cool functionality, and then putting the whole thing together. It's gonna be so good. As usual, I realized almost immediately that I had messed something up on the board, but that's okay. We can always add a bodge to make it all work out all right. Now, when I got these boards in the mail, I was just as excited as I always am. It is so exciting to get a board from a board shop, something that you design and put time and effort into, to actually get it manufactured professionally. There is no cooler feeling on the planet. Okay, I have been fangirling enough about this board. It is time to solder to it. Yes! We got it! We got it! Woo. And there we go. Now it looks absolutely ridiculous hanging on like that, but that's not important. What is important is programmed and working. Oh, baby. Woocha! Check it out. Is that cool? So, you got your sensors right here, and they're paying attention to air quality and hazardous gas in the area. If you're breaking into a building, you want to make sure you're not breathing all this weird asbestos or whatever. We got a gorgeous little screen which gives you a readout of the actual sensor values coming from these 2 guys right here, along with a fancy little bar graph, plus 3 buttons, one of which will actually fire Gear's pneumatics, and a port for wireless communication so we can make this thing talk to any other thing that we want to. The last thing to do is to put this in a box, send it to Gear, and have him put all his pneumatics on the top. And that's done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and I will see you in the next one.